Hey guys, today we have an EPSON WorkForce Pro WF-4740 printer, and I just want to show you how to replace the printhead on that. So what I did first is I went ahead and turned the printer on, waited for that mechanism to unlock. At that point I unplugged the power supply, and that let the carrier go back and forth freely. So I was able to remove the cartridges from there, and now I'm able to work with the carrier and remove the printhead that we see in here. So that's what we're going to do right now. The tools that I'm going to use are flathead screwdriver and this like a pick kind of tool, and if you have a small screw like flathead screwdriver, that also would work. So, and then we're going to have a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, first we need to remove this plastic housing right here. So from this side, we will find this little hole right here. And we're going to just push in there, and we're going to try to pull this up. Okay, we got that out. Then we're going to go to the left side. There's a clip right here. It's this one here that we're just going to kind of pull back with our pick or a small flathead. There we go. We're just gonna pull this up. It is connected because it has those chips, chip readers there, contacts. So go ahead and pull that out. And then you can just go ahead and disconnect this cord right here. Alright, and you can see that the contacts are facing the printhead, so make sure you remember that and take pictures along the way so you know how it was connected. So oops, this is just the housing with the ink level readers on them. Now we're going to remove this plastic piece right here. It just kind of like rolls out of there. Honestly, it's not too attached, so you'll be able to kind of wiggle it out of there. Okay, and at this point we're pretty much ready. I just moved this wire out of the way, so that's where it's at. It didn't hide anything, so we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Mine is thin enough for this to work. I feel the grip on it. If yours is, you know, it's not going in there, it's not turning the screw, just get a little bit of a smaller screwdriver. So these screws, they have the spring on them, which is something new for an EPSON printhead. And we have 3 screws, 2 on the left and 1 on the right if you're looking at the printer, as we are right now. Okay. I'm going to put gloves on at this point so I don't get my hands dirty with this ink. Okay. So here's our printhead. It's pretty big. We can just go ahead and disconnect. Oops, I'm sorry. This is how it looks like on the bottom. We're going to disconnect these and just drop the wires in there. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. It's a little bit harder to see, but it's pretty much the same. Just going to pull them out one by one. And you can see the order of those stays. You won't be able to mix them up because they're kind of taped together. So as soon as you're done cleaning this or whatever you're doing it, or if you're replacing it, you can just go ahead and reconnect them the way they are. So the order is here: upper, lower. We have an upper and a lower, and same thing on the left side. So that's basically how you remove the printhead from an EPSON WorkForce Pro WF-4740 printer, and similar models that may have the same type of printhead. So good luck with your project. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. And as you can see, it wasn't that much of a problem. A lot of times we think it's much more than this, but it's not. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. And once again, I suggest taking pictures as you go, so you know where things go. But otherwise you shouldn't have a problem. When you connect the printhead, you're going to put the 3 screws back, and you will not be able to mess it up, because the 2 screws on the left, 1 screw, on the left, 1 screw on the right. You know this is the position that it'll fit. It will not fit otherwise. Then that's how you'll know what to connect here and there. After that, you'll just put this plastic thing on, then you'll put the other plastic housing that goes around it, snap it in there, and you should be good to go. So thank you so much. If you want to see a video on how we clean similar print heads, go ahead and check out our other video with the cleaning, EPSON cleaning. So that's the way to do it. Once again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, there we go, share and subscribe, and your comments are going to be greatly appreciated. Thank you.